right, Upchuck. Now we need to make sure that we are all set for our wrestling matches. Now tell me, do we have our tea?
Check.
Our books?
Check.
Our table?
Table? Why would we need a table? We're not having dinner yet.
Well, I know that. We need a table in case we need it to dismantle our competition right in a jiffy.
The only table I'll ever need is a veg table. After all, that's how I'll squash the competition.
It's the Sawdust Gentry Show. Starring Lady Jane, Janitor Upchuck, and Bartholomew K. Grant.
Well, I gotta get back to the school, Lady Jane, but this has been a swell lunch.
Anytime, my friend. And remember, don't let those kids walk all over you as you're emptying those waste baskets.
Those kids don't know how well they have it. When I was just a little Upchuck, I would never think about kicking an adult in the pants. Well, unless they were atrocious pants.
Oh, you. Oh, before you go, let me get that piece of dust off of your jumpsuit.
Why do you have those? Why would you use them on me?
I wouldn't. I never.
What are you hiding, Lady Jane?
Upchuck, please.
Thanks for getting that speck of dust off me, Lady Jane. After all, just because we're Sawdust Gentry doesn't mean I have to be a dusty gent.
Till the one day when the lady met this janitor, and they knew that it was simply meant to be, that these friends would somehow form a tag team. That's the way we two became Sawdust Gentry. Sawdust Gentry. Sawdust Gentry. That's the way we became Sawdust Gentry.
What is it, Lady Jane?
The frog, Upchuck. The frog has returned.
Again?
We must get rid of it before anyone finds out.
By any means necessary?
What did you say?
By any means necessary, Lieutenant. When you are in danger, find what you can and use it. Defend yourself. By any means necessary.
Devster! Oh, dear. So many things to process.